Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, skilla. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I am here again with some more information to give to you. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone alright. You see? Now, before I get started, I want to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright? Now, I got information that Japan's former prime minister, who goes by the name of Shinzo Abe, died after he was shot at a political campaign event. So, according to information that I got, it is said that the former prime minister was shot at while he was giving a speech on a street within a city that is located somewhere within the country that is known as Japan. It is said that the incident happened on Friday, that would be the 8th of July, the year 2022, and I assume that's within Japan time. You see me I say? And it is said that security officials who was at the scene tackled the gunman, and a 41-year-old suspect is now in police custody. It is said that the suspect goes by a certain name that I don't really and truly know how to mention that name, viewers and subscribers. You understand? Please bear with me. You see me I say? But it is said that the suspect admitted shooting the former prime minister with a homemade gun. See? So it is said that the suspect also said that he had a grudge against a specific organization. See? It is said that the police said that they conducted a search of the suspect's house, and several weapons that are similar to the weapon that had been used to attack the former prime minister was found at the suspect's house. It is said that the police said that explosives was found at the suspect's house as well, to viewers and subscribers. See? It is said that the suspect told officers that he had a grudge against a specific group he believed that the former prime minister was connected to. And it is said that law enforcers from within the country of Japan, or the police within the country of Japan, are doing their investigations to determine why the former prime minister was targeted out of all those other persons who was somehow connected to the organization or the group. According to more information that I got, viewers and subscribers, I got the understanding that eyewitnesses say that they saw the man carrying an object. You see me? Now, in one news article that I read, it is said that eyewitnesses say that they saw the man carrying something that is believed to be a gun or a large gun. You see what I'm saying to you? Another news article that I read said that the suspect fired at the former prime minister twice. You see what I'm saying to viewers and subscribers? And I also saw pictures and at least one video circulating on social media about this whole situation, viewers and subscribers, you see? And I got the understanding that some of those pictures that I saw are circulating on social media with certain allegations. You understand? Notice I said allegations. You see what I'm saying to you? In my point of view, I think that this incident puts somewhat of a negative impact on Japan. Yeah, now viewers and subscribers, quite a number of times I hear quite a number of people talk about Japan, and quite a number of them told me, Dancehall Skilla, that Japan is a country where crime and violence is not as high as some countries out there in the world. You understand me? Yeah, I'm not saying that anyone told me that crime and violence do not happen within the country that is known as Japan. No, but quite a number of people told me that Japan is a country where crime and violence is not as high as some countries out there in the world, viewers and subscribers. So, based on some information that I got the understanding that a lot of citizens within the country that is known as Japan are shocked about the whole situation or about the incident that happened. You understand? See? But anyways, my people, just I give information according to I got information, and with that I'm going to move on to another topic. And please bear in mind that there are more information about this whole situation. Alright? Next topic. Now, before I end this video, viewers and subscribers, I want to give you some information about a situation where it is said that a 4-year-old girl who goes by the last name of Morgan was reported missing to the police in the country that is known as Jamaica. Now, I got the understanding that the Jamaica Constabulary Force made a post on social media that gave me the understanding that the police within the country of Jamaica somehow located the 4-year-old girl who was reported missing to the police within the country of Jamaica. So the Jamaica Constabulary Force made a post on social media saying that they are thanking the public for their assistance in helping to find the 4-year-old girl who goes by the last name of Morgan, who was reported missing on Monday, June 27, the year 2022. The Jamaica Constabulary Force said that the 4-year-old girl who goes by the last name of Morgan was in the care of her father and is in good health, and that investigations are ongoing into the circumstances of her being reported missing. Alright, so viewers and subscribers, just to let you know that the police in the country of Jamaica made a post on social media that gave me the understanding that they have located the 4-year-old girl who was reported missing to the police in the country of Jamaica. I posted a previous video about that same situation, viewers and subscribers, and that's one of the reasons why I talk about the same situation in this video, you know, basically give you an update. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, for those who want more information about this whole situation where it is said that a 4-year-old girl was reported missing to the police within the country of Jamaica, I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video. And if you click that link will take you to a previous video that I did about this whole situation where it is said that a 4-year-old girl was reported missing to the police within the country that is known as Jamaica. Alright, yeah, so big up and respect to each and every one, you see it? They have to keep you up to date and post to let you know what's going on, alright? So until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up, respect, stay safe, walk good.
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch?